Java programming concept on input identification. The program says add two variables and print their sum. How many variables needed? Two variables and third one to store the sum. So which are the two? The which going to get added are A and B. The one in which we are going to store the sum, call it S. Now A and B are free to hold any value, but S is dependent on A and B. S is not free to hold any value. So I can call A and B as independent variables and S as dependent variable. Now, programming rule says that the independent variables are supposed to be supplied either a value assigned to it or input it. Input means when I run the program, I will supply the value in those variables. So let us look into the program now. And here is the program. Look into the program carefully. What do you see? There are three variables which are assigned to 0. But I am not going to add 0 with 0 and get a result of 0, am I? No, na. Therefore, I will take input. How to take input? The process of taking input says use a scanner variable. I have named it SC with the statement new scanner system.in. Now, the detail of this will be provided little later because in the initial level it's better to see only the result oriented work. Now with SC, this object we will call next int. So next int with SC is to be used to input a value in one variable. So A is equal to SC.nextInt, B is equal to SC.nextInt. I need to fill A and B and only then I can get the resulting value in S, and A and B can be given any value, whatever value. I don't have to keep a fixed value in A and B when I start doing the work. How do I do the work? I compile it and then I come here, I right click, I create an object or instance, and there on that instance I right click and I activate main. When I run main, I will see the program execution which will look like this. In this one, you can see enter the value for A, it is waiting. The work is held up because something has to be sent in A. What to send in A? Suppose I am sending this variable 54 in variable A and some value in B. Suppose I am sending 63 in variable B. Now only the execution of A plus B can be done. Therefore, the variable S, which is the sum, is going to get the value from A and B's current values. I can run the program once again. And do you know how I can run the program once again? Here comes the way of running the program once again. When I run the program once again, I can supply some other value in A as well. Suppose I send 68 in A and 42 in B. What I will get is something which is dependent on the current value of A and B. And in this way, I can run a program as many number of times. In the coming program, the next program, something similar is being done. Look at this one. It is saying divide a number by another and print the remainder. Remainder is a result of operator mod, which is different from its role in maths. Don't call it percent, call it mod. When a division is done, there are two results. One is the quotient and the other is the remainder. The remainder can be taken out with the help of the variable mod. Now, what will the program look like? Here is the next example which says that calculate the value of remainder. In order to calculate the remainder, what I did is only I changed plus to mod and I changed the language remainder. It was S for sum and I'm making it R for remainder. So let me compile and let me execute. If I right click, I'll get a chance to create an object of instance of class CL input. I right click on it, I get the main, and in the main, if I enter suppose 67 as A and 10 as B, what will I get? I will get the remainder. 67 by 10, the remainder is 7. I can run the program once more. If I run once more, and this time if I supply 6, 0, 4, 3, and if I enter B as 100, then I will get, divide this by that, you get remainder 43. You can choose any other two numbers also. You can go on supplying number after number as many times you want. You can run the program. 259 in A and 15 in B. Do the division. You will find the result to come. The remainder will come as 4. Okay. So with this, I get to show you what is the meaning of dependent and independent variables. More programs are coming up. Okay.